Okay. See if we can put it on here. Okay. Put it on there, we're good.
Wait, mine's a
little short, eh? Well, what's going to happen is it's going to get stretched. All right, we're reusing the old felt because we have an 8-year-old who's wanting to learn how to play pool, and then after the learning curve is over, we'll refelt the table, which isn't a real big deal because the rails come off fairly easily. Right, so for this part, we're going to need a staple gun and a few staples. And because this is it's a used cloth, we're going to go ahead and line up these holes that already exist. And then there's going to be a lot of stretch on this. So we're going to actually go a little bit past the hole because it's going to stretch back. This will go right into the MDF at the bottom. And then we're going to come over here and stretch this one, find our hole, the bolt holes for the cloth itself. And then staples go every 6 inches into the side of the MDF backer. All right, that side's good. Now we're going this side. Same thing, repeat. The cloth looks like it's about 2 inches short, but that's how much stretch there's going to be in it. So again, because we have our holes already lined up in this cloth, all we got to do is worry about lining that up, and everything else will be right. I'm going on either side of my initial staple. Come over to the corner here, and same thing, we want a lot of stretch. Pull this over to this hole, make sure it lines up good. All right, now we go to the side pockets, and even though this fabric is a little worn out, it'll be a great training fabric. These all have the triangular tabs already cut, so we're going to fold these under and staple from underneath rather than at the side. When they're first mounted, they get stapled to the side, and then these are cut. Since they're cut already, we're just going to fold under and staple. And so long as you keep a good stretch going, this is really not that difficult a task. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. It helps our videos along. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. We've got lots of videos coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, now the last step is put the rails on.